In this video, we'll take a look at what comes with Meta Ray-Ban display and Meta Neuroband. We'll also review the different buttons and LEDs, as well as how to turn your devices on and off. Here's what you'll find inside the box: Meta Ray-Ban display, charging case and USB-C cable, cleaning cloth, Meta Neuroband charger, reference guides, and safety and warranty guides. Here are the buttons, LEDs, and other hardware built into Meta Ray-Ban display: the power switch, touchpad, capture button, camera, capture LED, speakers, microphones, notification LED, and display waveguides. To turn on Meta Ray-Ban display, push the power switch toward the lenses. To turn off, push the power switch away from the lenses. The red line indicates the glasses are turned off. Here are the different parts of Meta Neuroband: button, sensors, compute module, LED, and line. The line is an important reference point to help make sure the band is worn correctly. It should be facing you while wearing the band. Wearing Meta Neuroband correctly is important for it to work properly. You can learn more in our How to Wear Meta Neuroband video. To turn on Meta Neuroband, press and hold the power button for 1 to 2 seconds until the LED slowly pulses white and the band vibrates. To turn off, press and hold the button for 6 to 7 seconds and release when the LED goes dark and the band vibrates. For more videos and information about using Meta Ray-Ban display and Meta Neuroband, visit the Getting Started Hub by scanning the QR code on the reference guide. You can also visit our Help Center to learn more or contact Meta Store support.